Congratulations to all the torch bearers of the youngest club in Division G, District 121. I invite Madam President Toastmaster Aarti Rajeshwari onto the virtual stage for the acceptance presidential address.
Thank you, distinguished Toastmaster Srija. Dear District Director, Division Director, Area Director, delegates, fellow Toastmasters and guests. Good afternoon to you all. I'm honored and thrilled to be here in front of this group today. I sincerely accept this role as the President of Technopark Toastmasters. This is a new journey for all of us here. And with me, I have my army of 7 officers. All of us are geared up and ready to make this journey worthwhile for all our club members. I've been a part of Toastmasters Club for the past 8 years, and I've thoroughly enjoyed my journey and witnessed my own transformation. Each one of us might have a different objective for joining up. They might be good speakers already, and those who are already good speakers need to become better world-class speakers and want to help others in their journey. So I would say this is the right time. This is the right path that we are embarking on. I must acknowledge the support that was extended by EVIT when this idea was discussed as part of advanced leadership team. The team behind this idea was Manisha, Deepthi, Rajeshwari, Krishna, and myself. We did a survey within Technopark to test if the idea was appealing and where there would be acceptance for it. We also weighed the merits of a community versus a corporate club. While the corporate club is very good with excellent support from the management, a corporate club was found to be more suitable because there were a wider scope for interaction, networking beyond one's company, and in fact, getting above the team hierarchies. Now, a supportive learning environment outside your comfort zone of your company, that was the deal clincher. We also wanted to make sure that smaller organizations could benefit from the framework when they do not have enough resources, be it human resources or otherwise, to start a club of their own. Now, once we have decided to start the club, the rest was not difficult at all. In fact, with the support of the divisional directors and clear guidance available, it was done without much ado. Thank you, DTM Shaji and the team for the excellent support that we have received for this period. We have Trivandrum Toastmasters and HNR Block as a sponsor clubs, Srija Shashidharan and myself as the club sponsors, and Vishnu Sadashivan, our area director, and Dilip DC as our club members, always ready to help this club. We have got a good start. After the first demo, we got up 21 members and we signed up immediately. So I call out to each one of you members to be the brand ambassador of this movement. As you progress on your personal journey, you uplift others that you meet on the way. You learn from them and you teach them. That's how this chain reaction goes on. I hope the HRs of various companies would evaluate this framework and build it as part of their company learning initiatives and help associates to experience the benefits. We would be very happy to tie up with you to hold demo meetings to know more about it. And for each one of us, we hold the key that unlocks our potential. Whether we use it right or we let it remain unlocked is entirely up to us. Arise, awake, and stop not until your goal is reached. Thank you, and back to you.